This is the bookmarks bar, and it shows on my Chrome. But I accidentally did something this morning and I disappeared it. I was like, oh my gosh, how do I get my bookmarks bar back? Because if I don't have anything here anymore to like right click on to get it to drop down. So here's how you get your bookmarks bar to show again. Go over here to the menu, the little dots here, and click on settings. And then in settings, you want to go to appearance. And down here is where you can show the bookmark bar again. And it's back. Now, when you save something in your bookmarks, you can drag it up into the bar here. So if I want this new box folder, let's say I want that back up in here. Okay, I'm going to put it there. But you notice what happened is it disappeared my me in the RV from being seen in the bar. Now that's actually, I want to edit that because it's kind of long, right? So I'm going to delete that, take that off, save it. Now, let's see what else is like, let's edit this one. Okay. Google developers. Okay. There we go. So now see how it popped back up there because I shortened some of these and now, but I can switch out any of these that I want up into here so that they can show. And of course, when you want to put something in your bookmarks, you just click done. And then when you look down, it'll be the last one down there. And that's how you can manage your bookmarks bar. And the other bookmarks, that's a folder. See, I have different folders that I have bookmarks in. And you could just put folders up here if you wanted to, right? But there you go. That's how you manage your bookmarks bar.